Yes, the big ones go straight.
This one go for $5. It's perfectly right.
Yeah. How about 4 if I buy 2 of them?
We've got plenty more where that came from.
This batch looks excellent. I agree. Let's move these ones first.
For this big one.
All right, since you asked so nicely.
Wonderful, thank you.
That is the reddest watermelon I've ever seen.
I'll give you 30 rupees for that pile.
No, 40 is the lowest I can.
Essential vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants, you too can achieve a healthy, radiant glow.
Low calories, high water content, perfect for staying fit.
Get you! Try and catch me. Wait for me.
Fuel our bodies with antioxidant-rich foods like these berries, we enable ourselves to truly live vibrantly.